Hello, first grade students. This is Mr. Begay. It is Thursday, January 21st, 2021. We are going to continue with our math lesson. Pay attention to your screen and focus on what Mr. Begay is doing as I work out these set of problems. You do not need a paper or pencil just yet. Continue looking at your screen and focus on how Mr. Begay is solving our equations here. Now, boys and girls, we're going to continue today with math, and we're going to continue with what is called practice solving problems. Add to, okay? This is what Mr. Begay is going to focus on now with you, okay? Now, as you can see here, first graders, it says solve and share. Now, we have here a problem that we're going to have to solve. And Mr. Begay already set up the problem here. Now, boys and girls, just look right here. You see where the cursor is moving around? What was this called right here? What do we call this? Since there's a plus sign right there, remember, we call this addition equation. Okay? Now it's right here. You see it? Addition equation. Say those two words with me. Addition equation. This is what this represents, okay? We have a plus sign and we have an equal signs and we need numbers here, okay? But let's read first what we're working with, okay? Read with Mr. Begay. Here we go. Let's read the whole thing and then we'll break it apart. 5 train cars are on the track. Some more train cars join them. Now there are 9 train cars. How many train cars joined the first 5 train cars on the track? Use connecting cubes to model this story. Write an addition equation. Now that we know that, boys and girls, okay? Now we're going to break apart this story, okay? This whole solve and share problem. Now let's come back up here. Let's read this together. Read with Mr. Begay again. 5 train cars are on the track. Now, how many train cars are on the track now? How many are on there? 5. So watch Mr. Begay. I'm going to draw out this first sentence here by using these cubes. Now, we need 5 train cars on here. So watch Mr. Begay. We need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now look at that, boys and girls. Our first sentence is already right here now, okay? We're going to do this step by step. Now, boys and girls, how many are here? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here's how I want you to start solving this. We're going to look here now at our addition equation. Since the first row has 5, we need to put 5 right there, okay? So look at that. Mr. Begay is going to put 5 up here really quick because there are 5 train cars already on the track. Now, let's come back up here. Let's read from here. It says, some more train cars join them. So look, there's going to be some more cars that are going to join in with this 5 here. Let's keep reading. It says, now there are 9 train cars. Now, how many train cars are there now? 9. So boys and girls, here's what I want you to do, okay? First thing I want you to do is, we're going to, since 9 is right here, look. 9 is going to be the answer for our addition equation. But look, there's a number here that's missing. This is what this represents, okay? It says practice solving problems. Add to. So look, Add 2 is missing here. This is the number now we're going to have to find that's going to equal 9 here, okay? Because look, we have 5 train cars on the track now. 5 went up here. We know altogether there's 9 train cars. But look, we need a number here. We're going to have to come to this second row, okay? Now, let's keep reading. How many train cars joined the first 5 train cars on the track? Okay, that's what they're asking us now, boys and girls. They want us to know. They want us to tell them how many more train cars down here join these first 5 train cars. Now here's how you're going to do it. Just watch me. We're going to have to get to 9, okay? We have 5 up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, boys and girls, all together, look, we have 9 train cars now together. Now, here's where we have to find this number right here. How many train cars are red now? How many train cars are at the bottom? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first graders, what number goes here? 4. So look, Mr. Begay is going to grab 4. I'm going to put it right there. And look, we have our addition equation solved here. 5 plus 4 equals 9. And look down here. All you're going to do is put 4 back in here. Okay? 4 is going to go there. And now we have our problem all completed. We found our answer. And we know now 4 train cars joined them because look, these red ones, they came in and they're now on the track with these other train cars, okay? So look, let me do it like this. 5 represents these train cars up here. 4 represents, look, these red train cars that joined in. And when we count them all up, watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And look, that's why 9 is here, because that's our answer. So, remember, that's what we're doing now for today's lesson, okay? If you're still lost, don't worry. There's more examples I'm going to give you, okay? Now, keep looking at your screen. Okay, we have another slide that came up here. Now, boys and girls, the same thing, okay? We're still adding to. Because remember, we're going to know automatically what this number is going to be, and we're going to know what the answer is, but it's this middle number that we're going to have to find now, okay? But first, let's read our addition equation before we can do anything. Let's start up here. Read with Mr. Begay. A station has 7 teddy bears. Some more teddy bears roll into the station. Now there are 9 teddy bears. How many rolled in? Okay, now we're going to be using teddy bears. Now, let's come back up here. Let's read this now, sentence by sentence, so we know what we're working with. Let's read with Mr. Begay again. A station has 7 teddy bears. Now, boys and girls, how many teddy bears are at the station now? 7. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to have to put 7 teddy bears in here first. Count with Mr. Begay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, look now. We finished that first sentence here. There's 7 teddy bears now in the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first graders, now that we have 7 teddy bears, what number goes up here, up front? 7, because we have 7 teddy bears and it told us up here, a station has 7 teddy bears. So watch, Mr. Brigade's gonna get 7, I'm gonna put it right there, look, 7. Now we keep reading, ready? Here we go. Some more teddy bears roll into the station. So we're going to have some more teddy bears down here. We don't know how many. We're going to have to keep reading. Let's read again. Now there are 9 teddy bears. How many are there now? There are 9. Now boys and girls, we know there are 9 teddy bears. So look. This is going to be our answer, okay? So, quickly, Mr. Brigade is going to put 9 there, okay? Because that's our answer. Now, we need to count our teddy bears to see if there's 9 in there, okay? If there is not 9, we need to add more down here to find the answer for this middle one, okay? Let's count with Mr. Brigade, see if we have 9 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are there 9 teddy bears here? No, there are not. There's only 7. We need to get to 9, okay? So we need to add some more here. Let's count with Mr. Brigade again. Then we're going to add in some more teddy bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I need some more down here. Count with me. We left off at 7 here. We're going to go like this. 7, 8, 9. Now first graders, all together, look. We have 9 teddy bears in here. Now look. What number goes here now? What number is going to go here? How many teddy bears did Mr. Brigade put in here? 2. Look, we put in 2 blue teddy bears. So all together we have 9. So watch Mr. Brigade. 2 goes in there, okay? So here's our addition equation. 7 plus 2 equals 9. Now, all we do now is put 2 in here again, because 2 teddy bears join. Now keep looking at your screen, first graders. Look, I'm going to move that 7 here now. I'm going to move this 2 right here, because look, that way you can see what's going on, because look, there are 7 teddy bears in this row, and this 2 that was right here represents these 2 teddy bears that we brought in. So all we're doing is putting these numbers in. You see that? And when you add them all up, you count up all the teddy bears that are in here, they're going to equal 9. Okay? Now, keep looking at your screen as we're going to do some more examples. Okay? Now, here we come upon another slide. Now, we're going to have to read this to figure out what we're working with, okay? Now, just keep watching your screen and really focus on what Mr. Brigade is doing. Read this with me. Here we go. Bobby has 4 fish. He buys some more fish. Now, Bobby has 7 fish. How many fish did Bobby buy? Okay? Look, here's our addition equation again that we're going to have to fill out. But we have to come back up here now and break this whole sentence apart. Let's read again from here. Bobby has 4 fish. Now, how many fish does Bobby have? 4. So watch Mr. Brigade. Look, I'm going to have to get 4 fish in the picture here. 3, now 4. You see that? Now there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 fish now that Bobby has. Now, what number goes up here now? What number is going to go up here? 4, because look, the first row has 4 fish, so 4 has got to go up there. Now, first graders, let's keep reading. Here we go. He buys some more fish. So he's going to buy some more fish. Let's keep reading. Now, Bobby has 7 fish. Okay? Now, he has 7 fish after he bought some more fish. So look, this 7 is going to be the answer. You see that? Quickly, Mr. Brigade is going to put that there. Now, it's this number that we need to find, okay? We need to find this number here. But in order to do that, we're going to have to count up these fish and get the correct amount to equal 7. Watch, Mr. Brigade, watch me. This is how you're going to do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now look, first graders, we have 7 fish now all together. Now watch. How many are in the second row? How many fish did Mr. Brigade put right here? How many is right here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So first graders, what number goes here? 3. So Mr. Brigade is going to bring that 3, and look, we solved our addition equation. 4 plus 3 equals 7. Now, let me move this 4 up here again so you can see it. Let me move this 3 here so you can see what's going on. Okay, look. We have 4 fish in the first row. That's why 4 is right here. We have 3 fish right here in this row. That's why the 3 is here. Now, watch Mr. Brigade now again. I'm going to put 7 here. Okay? Because look, when we count it up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. When we count all the fish together, that's going to give us 7, okay? Now, just by looking at that, you probably see now what's going on, okay? So that's where these numbers are coming from, okay? Let me put these back. And we need to put 3 down here also because we need to show that 3 fish joined in, okay? So, keep looking at your screen as I'm going to go through another example, okay? But start looking at how Mr. Brigade is doing these problems. Now, we have another slide here, okay? We're going to do the same thing. We have to read our addition equation to see what we are working with first, okay? But here's our addition equation waiting for us. Let's read. Mary has 4 hot dogs. Pat gives her some more hot dogs. Now Mary has 9 hot dogs. How many hot dogs did Pat give to Mary? Okay, so now first graders, let's come back up here. We're going to break apart each sentence now, okay? Let's read up to here and figure out what we are working with. It says, Mary has 4 hot dogs. How many hot dogs does Mary have? 4. So watch Mr. Brigade. I'm going to put 4 hot dogs in this first row. 1, 2, 3, 4. So look at that. We now have 4 hot dogs right here because that's what our first sentence is telling us. Okay, look, Mary has 4 hot dogs. So Mr. Brigade put 4 hot dogs here. So first graders, what number is going to go up here? 4, because we have 4 hot dogs. So Mr. Brigade is going to put 4 there, up here. Now, let's keep reading. Pat gives her some more hot dogs. So look, more hot dogs are going to get into this picture here. Let's see how many. Now, Mary has 9 hot dogs. Okay? And then it says, how many hot dogs did Pat give to Mary? So right here, boys and girls, all together, Mary has how many hot dogs? 9. So look, 9 is going to be the answer here. So let me put 9 there. Now, first graders, just like the previous slides that you saw, this is the number now we need to find now, okay? We're going to find that by drawing our picture here again. Now, watch Mr. Begay. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? We have 4 hot dogs here. But we need to get 9 hot dogs all together on here, okay? We just have 4, so watch Mr. Begay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let me just put that right there, okay? Now, we have 9 hot dogs now, first graders, okay? Did you see how Mr. Begay did that? I counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Because look, this number here is telling me all together how many hot dogs I need. Now, let me get this 4 and let me drag it here, okay? Now look, there are 4 hot dogs up here. Now, first graders, how many hot dogs are in the second row? How many are here? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So first graders, what number is going to go right here? 5. Because look, we put in 5 hot dogs here, okay? Now, since we put 5 here, we need to put 5 down here again because that tells us 5 hot dogs joined in again from this second row. Now watch. Let me put 4 right here, and let me put 5 here. Let's put 5 so that way you can really see it, okay? Now look, and let me put 9 here. 4 comes from this first row. Look, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 hot dogs here. 5 comes from this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 9 comes in when you add all of it together, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay? So first graders, that's where we are getting our numbers from, okay? To get our addition equation problem. Now, keep looking at your screen, okay? We're going to do another example here. Now, first graders, we're going to have to read our addition equation to figure out what we are working with, okay? Let's read together with Mr. Begay. Billy reads with 4 friends on Monday. He reads some more pages on Tuesday with his friends. He reads 10 pages with his friends in all. How many pages did Billy read with his friends on Tuesday? Now, look at this. We have our addition equation set up right here again, okay? Now, let's come back up here. We're going to break this apart sentence by sentence, okay? Let's just focus up to this period again. Let's read with Mr. Begay. Billy reads with 4 friends on Monday. Now, boys and girls, how many friends did Billy read with on Monday? How many friends? 4. So look, we have to put 4 of his friends in here. Let's count with Mr. Begay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So look, 4 of his friends are here now, and these are the friends that Billy read with on Monday. So first graders, what number goes up here? 4. Okay, so look, Mr. Begay is going to put 4 here. Now look, we have 4 up here. Now we keep reading. Read with Mr. Begay. He reads some more pages on Tuesday with his friends. Okay, so look, there's going to be more friends that are going to come into the picture. Let's keep reading. He reads 10 pages with his friends in all. How many pages did Billy read with his friends on Tuesday? Now, boys and girls, all together, how many pages did Billy read? How many pages? 10. So watch, Mr. Begay is going to put 10 here because that's our answer, okay? But look, first graders, this number we need to find again. We're just going to do the same thing, okay? Now, how many friends are sitting in the first row? How many friends are here? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. But look, we need to get 10 friends all together here, okay? So here's how we're going to do it. You can count with Mr. Begay. We have to get to 10. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now look at that, first graders. We now have 10 friends in here that Billy read pages with. Look at that. We have 10 friends now. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So look, we have 10 friends now. Now look, let's put 4 right here. Okay? There's 4 friends that are up here. Now, first graders, how many friends now are in this next row? How many friends are here? Let's count. Count with Mr. Begay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So look, Mr. Begay is going to get 6. I'm going to put it right here because look, there's 6 friends right here that he read pages with. So you see how that works? So we have 4 friends here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we have 6 friends in the next row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All together, when we count it up, it's going to be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? That's where this 10 comes in. So let's put our addition equation here now, okay? Now, keep looking at your screen because look, I'm just going to put 6 here now again, okay? So here is our addition equation. 4 plus 6 equals 10, okay? And 6 pages joined in, okay? So right here. So remember, let me move this 6 really quick. It is this number here that we're trying to find, okay? Now, Mr. Begay provided you examples on how to do that, okay? Now, first graders, I want you to get a paper and pencil. Go get a paper and pencil. Once you get your paper and pencil, on your screen here is your homework, okay? You're going to do the same thing. You only have to complete 1 and 2, okay? But I want you to copy down your problem. You're going to draw this also. Look right here is your addition equation. You're going to have to put numbers here, okay? And I want you to draw out what these sentences are telling you, okay? And then come here to number 2. You're going to read that And you're going to give me the addition problem with your answer, and you can give me the answer here again, okay? I want you also to draw out your problem, going sentence by sentence, okay? If you need somebody to read with you, go ahead, they can read with you, but first graders, you should know how to do these problems, okay? Now, Mr. Begay provided you examples here. I provided you an example here. I provided you an example here. I also provided you an example here. And also with this slide, okay? You're going to do the same thing, what Mr. Begay showed you, okay? With these two problems. Now, if you get lost, if you get confused, rewind the entire video and rewatch it from the start. Sometimes you have to watch it more than once to figure out what's going on, okay? And once you are done with your homework, make sure you put it in a folder because you are going to return it back to Mr. Begay on Friday. Now, go ahead and pause the video right here and keep working on your homework assignment